Alrighty guys, welcome back. So today we're out here doing some more camping. I'm at this lake, but unfortunately there's no view of the lake at the campground. I've got the whole campground to myself. There's nobody else here, so that's good. And just to show you guys around my campsite here. So here's the road in. And then I come in up here. The truck is right here. Got a fire pit, a picnic table, and then it's all woods back behind. Pretty awesome little campsite. Really happy about it because I wasn't sure. I've never been here before. I didn't know how it's going to turn out, but so far nobody else is here. But we're going to have a good time tonight. I've got some simple food to cook for tonight. Firewood. We're going to build us a fire. We've got a low of 51 tonight, and it's currently 57 degrees, so we're going to have us a warm night of camping. So it's currently about 3 o'clock, so let's go ahead and get everything set up and enjoy the daylight while we still got it. And then we'll have us a good campfire when it starts getting dark out. Cook us some food and just hang out. So I just brought a 40-degree sleeping bag with me for tonight because it's only going to get down to 51, so that should be fine. And I didn't bring my buddy heater because I'm not going to need it. Just brought the sleeping bag, cooler with some drinks in it. Got some firewood in the cab of the truck, and that's about it really. My chair. That's about all the gear I brought with me for tonight. Keeping it pretty simple. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and open this. It's just a pineapple and orange. Sparkling water. Never tried it. Let's see what it tastes like here. Smells just like pineapple. That's probably the best one I've had of these. Pineapple and orange. Pretty windy out now. The sun's covered up again. There's chances of rain for tonight, but it's just supposed to be like small showers, and then it's supposed to pick up in the morning, probably around the time we leave. I may go ahead and break the stove out on the picnic table back here and go ahead and cook some food, and then later on we'll just kind of hang out by the fire and not cook on it. I've seen a couple of deer out here. Actually, when I come through the campground down here, I've seen a couple of deer already. And I've heard some squirrels back here in the woods somewhere. we go, some eggs and bacon. Real easy, but it looks good. Oh, it smells great. Oh yeah. Well guys, I'm gonna finish eating this, and pretty soon it should be time to get the fire going. Well, we're starting to lose daylight, so I'm gonna go ahead and gather some twigs, and we'll go ahead and get this fire going. So we're gonna go ahead and make some popcorn over the fire. You hear it? Starting to pop. It's starting to sprinkle now. I better check the weather forecast. You may have to let this fire go out. Just a light sprinkle, so it's just gonna sprinkle a little bit, and then about 7:45 it's gonna start raining again. So it's just 5:19 right now. Yeah, it's already died down, but it's just 5:19 right now, and so we've got till 7:45. I'm gonna add a few more pieces on because it's not gonna last that long, but about 7:45 it's gonna start raining pretty good, and yeah, we can definitely hang out here a little while longer. It's already went away. Just light sprinkles. Let's eat this popcorn while it's hot. Add a few more pieces on. So we made it in the back, got changed into some more comfortable clothes. It's still raining on and off outside, so I decided to get in the back. I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm just gonna go on to bed. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's currently 5:46. I think we're gonna go ahead and get up and try to get on out of here pretty early this morning. This is gonna be bright. Stayed pretty warm last night. It wasn't very cold. That's showing 53 on my thermometer. We're gonna go ahead and get some coffee going this morning. I think I'm gonna make me some oatmeal as well. This is the apples and cinnamon instant oatmeal. you guys see that. I'm gonna have to start making this more often. Well guys, I'm gonna finish eating this and then probably get on out of here. It's rainy and wet out. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more, consider subscribing. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.